What's up everybody, CPL, welcome back to yet another video. So up until now we created projects like this OTT platform for Marvel, and the first one is the food delivering app. So for this project I have a task for you, or you can say a test. So in that test what you have to do is that, so I have this wireframe. So this is the wireframe for a music player. So take a reference from it and make your own music player using this wireframe. You can name it whatever you want. You can place your favorite songs over here and take inspiration from like Spotify or YT music. And you can use any color you want, or if you want to like make a clone of Spotify, you can also do that. So it totally depends on you. If some student not able to do this, I'm gonna also create that project after this video, so stay tuned for that. So if you are confident, then go for it and make this project. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.